nerves.
Hold on. Oh, we're good. Oh, okay, go.
Okay, up here is our olfactory nerve. Okay, it's coming back. Here's the optic nerve. There's our oculomotor. Coming off in the back. Hard to see here. Try to sort these out here because this pia mater that you're seeing here, this is a mixture of pia mater and we're separating it back. Trying to find the accessory, which is down, should be down in this area here, just down here, and then coming up through here. Okay, let's just do the anatomy in general first. Cerebrum, right?
Correct.
Cerebellum. Here's a cerebral fissure, and this would be the frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal, right? Okay. Looking at a cross section, there's the cingulate gyrus along the top here, corpus callosum, and this is the which ventricle?
Lateral.
Lateral ventricle. There you go. Now we can see on this side the septum pellucidum, this little,
Groove hole.
membrane right here. Yeah. As we move through here, let's see. We got the corpus callosum, and then the what was this?
The fornix.
That's right. It's coming. You can see it kind of coming up here, dropping around. We move to the back. We can see a bump right back here. That's the epithalamus. And then there's a stalk that's missing here that would drop down, and that's the hypophyseal stalk that drops down to the pituitary, which is right here. Where it got ripped off. This area that we're seeing here is the pons, medulla, and then that reticular activating system moving up through here. As we move back through here, here's our thalamus inside here, superior and inferior colliculus, and here's our fourth ventricle back here. The dark stuff that you see inside, can you? Yeah, not really seeing it very well in there. See the dark stuff in the back? Okay, and that's the choroid plexus. Third ventricle and the aqueduct back here. We got the, we already did that. Here's the brain stem here. Okay.
I'm confused about the... Oh, we didn't know if one part was the mammillary body or if it was the optic chiasma.
Oh, here's the optic chiasm be here, right here.
So what is this right here? That's what we were
And that's,
mentioning.
yeah, that's going to have to be the mammillary body or the, well, so we're not seeing it on here on the sheep brain. It's going to be the hypothalamus. It's going to have to be sitting here. The sheep's brain is a little bit different, obviously, than the human brain. So I'll show you guys some pictures of those up on the screen in just a minute here. Sort of, it's hard to see here in terms of the color, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This has
Blood vessels.
them all.
And there's a median fissure, longitudinal median fissure, and the transverse fissure.
And then the central...
Gyrus. Not easy to see. It's not
Right.
built the same as ours, so we don't really
There
have...
isn't like a pronounced line.
There isn't a pronounced central gyrus on the sheep, like there is for us. Here's the only one that seems to go from the front all the way down like this.
Okay.
And it just doesn't have the same pattern that we have for, well, you're not seeing it from internally here, you can see it on the outside of the human brain for the pre and post central gyrus. Yeah, so you can see the two here really easily. Okay, so you figure on